This section will discuss the layout of the SEGY Explore workspace. There are four main panels within SEGY Explorer. The first panel is on the left and displays user-selected directories in the top half and a filtered list of files within the user-selected directory in the bottom half. The file list displays a filtered list of all the files in the selected directory and its siblings based on a user-defined list of file extensions or endings. The Settings dialog is used to select the desired directory and file extensions. Once a file is selected in the file listing, its contents are displayed in SEGY Explorer. In the top right panel are the settings to define the template. The user can define the following: the incoming template. You can select an existing template and apply it to this file. Along the top you can define if the file is big or little endian, 2D or 3D, pre or post stack. There are three tabs for the main part of the window that show key settings for the trace header. You can define the byte locations and format for each key field, scale header values, and apply basic math to key values. The binary header. The four key fields accessed from the binary header are displayed with the ability to override each of them. Naming tab. For Kingdom, you can swipe the text header for locations for the line, version, and data type names to be read from each file that uses the same template. The QA files will show the values as defined in this template panel. Once the key fields are defined, you can create a new template. The lower right panel has all the information from the text, binary, and trace headers, along with four QA panels to help verify the data. The text header tab on the left side shows the ASCII or EBCDIC header for the SEGY file. If extended text headers exist, you can select the extended text header tab and choose which header to visualize. The binary header and the trace header tabs allow you to see and test the byte locations and format for each of their fields. Four QA tabs allow you to check your data in table form, map view, vertical seismic display, and trace header crossplot. Across the bottom of the workspace is the icon bar where you can access the various options to help use SEGY Explore. Once a file is selected, you can maximize the workspace by clicking on the bar or arrow at the top of the Hide Select bar, and the left pane will be hidden until you show it again by clicking on the same bar and/or the arrow. There are three sliding bars between the main panels that allow you to resize both left and right and up and down on any of the panels to maximize your visualization of that workspace panel. In the icon bar are various icons. The first one on the far left is a small envelope that will pop up an email to the development team that you can use to provide feedback. This will be available until SEGY Direct is released, at which point we will probably remove this. Please send your comments in to gary.jones@ihs.com. All actions within SEGY Explore are logged and kept in a log file that you can see at any time. This icon will bring up the log dialog where you can search and view the history of your actions within SEGY Explore and later SEGY Direct. This icon brings up a dialog to define your configuration settings, such as which directories to display in the selection panel, which file extensions you want to filter the displayed list of files by, and which directory you want to keep your template files in. This is your Help button. The Help is set up in a workflow format to help guide you through all the details that this Getting Started video will not cover. You should now know enough to control your workspace and start using SEGY Explore.